Find out what's fresh and what's hot with your favorite stars on Kapuso 101. Benjamin Alves was born on March 31, 1989. He started his career as a Kapuso in 2013 and starred in a variety of dramatic roles, each showcasing his impressive range and proving his exceptional acting talent.
I don't expect you to feel the same way. Hindi ko alam kung kailan nagsimula ang naramdaman ko para sa'yo.
Nais ko patunayan sa aking kapatid na kahit magkaiba kami ng ina, karapat-dapat pa rin ako.
Joyce, alam ko ang dami mo ng pinagdaanan. Alam ko nandun ako eh. Pero iba ka na. Hininay kang babaeng minahal ko.
Alam ko hindi ka natutuwa sa pagtira namin dito. Pero huwag ka mag-alala. Pag magaling na si tatay, bubukod na ulit kami.
Driven by his deep commitment to his craft, his passion remains unwavering as he continues to take on diverse and challenging roles that highlight his versatility.
Natatandaan ko kung paano magmahalan si Mama at Papa. Pwede pa lang masira yun. Kaya takot akong pumasok sa kahit anong relationship.
Always trying to fix things. Go fix it. Huh? Go fix it. How are you gonna fix this?
Ikaw ang tinatakbo ko pag may ito akong problema. Si Greta ang gusto ni Jared. Hindi ikaw. Pagkatapos lahat ng ginawa ko, pagtatabuyan mo ako, sige. Hindi ko nagpipilit sarili ko sa puso mo.
Another notable role for him is that of Basil Palacios in Widow's War, where he played an ambitious and scheming character locked in a rivalry with his cousin over the Palacios inheritance.
Relax, Sam. Stop crying. Okay? I will not leak the video. Pero may kapalit. I want you to kill someone for me.
Benjamin then shifted to a more heartfelt role, playing the role of Wilfred, a single dad and loving father to a 16-year-old daughter in the drama series Akusada.
Anak, your mom will always be a part of us. Pero hindi natin pwedeng harangan ng sarili nating happiness.
We're not forgetting her. We're honoring her.
That's Benjamin Alves, Kapuso Talent. Get to know more about your favorite stars on Kapuso 101.